Wait, let's go find Jeff. Oh,
What?
he's just stood there. And then it's ah!
I was drinking moose milk, and I just see Cyclone get blown up. Cyclone, you okay?
No.
I'm going crazy! What do you mean you're going crazy? Jeff, what's wrong, buddy? What happened today? Jeff? That looks... Ow, Jeff! It's time to do the extreme hide and seek. Okay,
What does that
awesome.
mean? What does extreme
I think
hide
that
and
means
seek mean,
if he
Jeff?
finds us, he kills us. With no chance of living. Run!
Run! No, don't block me off! Wait.
Ah, run! Oh, no. Nope.
What
Oh my God, what's up, buddy?
He doesn't see me. He
Cyclops,
actually doesn't
He's
see
nearby. He's nearby. It's gonna be alright, little buddy.
me.
Cyclops.
I think it is.
Cyclops, you'll never see that one door super standing out in front of the whole building.
Ah! He found the door!
Cyclone TV, hurry!
I'll be fine. I have dual powers.
Welcome back to the day of Daycare! Yo, today's been a crazy day, man. Today's been a crazy day. I launched my brand new Fortnite channel, the Moose Fortnite channel, down below in the description, man. It's a community channel where the fans can be my videos. I also record. We got a crazy esports team, and on top of this, we relaunched Life of Moose, and it's been a crazy time, man. In Life of Moose, we're doing challenges now, videos with friends, videos with fans, and other cool things, man. But wait, what's going on? What's over here? Hold on, what's going on here? Well, hello there, Moose. You're probably wondering, where is Jeff the Moose? Ha ha! Skylar? Hey, Skylar! Are you back here? Jeff! This ain't funny. You can't prank me like this, man. Why do you always do this to me, bro? Jeff is always trying to prank me, guys. You know what? Yo, if you want Jeff to not prank me, subscribe and slap the bell, man, and leave the like, bro. Yo, how about this? How about we pull a prank on Jeff together? Everyone go right now and comment down below. What kind of prank should we pull on Jeff, man? Okay, what do we got over here? Let's play a fun little game. Oh, here we go with the pranks, man. So you thought you defeated me, Moose. Who's he? Who's talking? I don't get it. Is that like Skylar, or is it Cyclone, or is it like Brick Boss, or is it Jeff? Who is this, man? I'm so confused. Musina? With your little thick friend Sharkeisha. They're calling Shark the Keisha, bro. Yo, come on, man. So hold on. So you thought you defeated me, Moose, with your little friend Sharkeisha. What are they talking about? I don't think Shark was ever in Daycare, so I'm a little bit confused right now. Okay. Well, guess what? I'm still alive. Is this Musina? Hey, Musina, come outside here. Oh my God. Give me a second. I got you guys. I call this the Moose Milk of Doom. Musina, please come to the auditorium. This is your principal speaking. Hello? Musina? Hello? Huh. Kind of strange. Okay, I guess he's not here. All right. Okay, well, this is getting a little bit sketchy. You thought you saw the last of the Steves or the Stavs. This has to be Jeff. This has to be Jeff pranking me, man. What do you mean last of the Steves, bro? We already stopped Steve hunting, man. If you guys do remember, here's a little bit of a flashback. On the MooseCraft channel, pretty much, we did a bunch of Steve stuff, and we were hunting for the Steves, and we found a few Steves, and now it's gone to a complete mess with, like, Rainbow Junior Steves, and then you got Blue Steve and Corrupted Steve, and God knows how many Steves there are now, and nowadays, thanks to Sharkeisha and others. But you get the point. Who cares, man? You know what? It's fun stuff. All right. So what do we got over here? Not today. What? I'm pretty sure there's still Steves out there. I feel like the Steves are making an army of Steve army. All right. Yeah. Let's go. Rainbow Steve is back. Here to take over. Rainbow Steve. Oh, yo. Rainbow Junior Steve takes over Daycare. Corrupted Steve takes over Rainbow Steve. Welcome to Minecraft. This is Minecraft for you. Okay, so hold on. Yo, Jeff, enough with the pranks, man. I know you love Rainbow Steph, Bedrock Steph, Obsidian Steph. This ain't funny anymore. Stop trying to prank me with the Stephs. Oh, my God. Jeff, please come to the auditorium. It's not cool to prank your friend about the Stephs, okay? This is something else, bro. I need a plan numero B. I call this the scream of... don't think that worked. Okay, well, I guess let's go upstairs. Let's go over here. Okay. Here we go. What do we got over here? Wait, what's it say? Take over the daycare. But now this ain't no... Wait, what? Okay, so hold on. I think what they're saying is Rainbow Steve is back here to take over the daycare. But now this ain't no what? Rainbow Steve Jr., Rainbow Steve's battles Herobrine stuff. Rainbow Steve Jr., Rainbow Steve battle Herobrine, Rainbow Steve revived by corrupted Steve, and Shadow Steve eats Sharkeisha, steals Moose. I'm sorry. I'll stop with the jokes. Okay, so, but now this ain't no Rainbow Steve Jr. or Rainbow Steve battles. Okay, gotcha. What is this then? This is the real deal. I thought it was always the real deal. Huh, okay, whatever. Rainbow Steve is back, and I've captured Jeff! Oh. So is that Rainbow Steve talking, or is that Moose? I can't tell. So Rainbow Steve captured Jeff, apparently. What's this over here? You'll never see Jeff again unless you join my Steve Army, lol. It's Steve Army.
Hey, what's up, guys? Rainbow Steve here. Join the Steve Army or you will die.
Wait. Yo, is that Kermit the Frog? Yo, Kermit, why are you pulling a prank on me?
Kermit the Frog. I
am so sorry. What just happened? If this was funny, leave a like. Can we make that into me, please? Go follow me on Twitter at MooseCraft and Instagram at MooseCraft. Hold on, yo, Rainbow Steve, come back here.
Hey, I'm behind you.
What? Where? Hi, Rainbow Steve.
Blue Steve ate me, and I had to fight Blue Steve.
Yo, hold on, Rainbow Steve. Yo, remember the last time we met? It was on the MooseCraft channel. A little flashback over here, you know. I'm really sorry about defeating you and like summoning you and stuff, and then.
Well, I'm a changed man now, you know.
Yeah, you really let yourself go.
What do you mean?
You look like a pancake, bro. What's wrong, Rainbow Steve? Come on. Oh man, are you just?
I just want to be the prettiest Steve out there.
Rainbow Steve, listen, look at me.
Yes,
buddy.
I'm looking. You have very beautiful.
That can never happen, man. Remember, there's like 40 other Steves out there. The milk is real. Rainbow Steve, come back. How can we fix this? How can we fix this, Rainbow Steve?
Rainbow, blue, purple, pink, Junior, God Steve.
Because there's like 40 Steves out there, man. This ain't stopping anytime soon.
There's 52 Steves. They're all evil. They will eat your
I didn't know your voice sounded like that, man. Why are you Kermit?
I Kermit the Frog out.
Rainbow Steve. Here's some moose milk, buddy. Here's some flowers because you're beautiful, man. All right, buddy.
I am very pretty.
Okay, buddy. You stay down. You stay down there. Okay.
What do you mean? Oh no.
Guys, listen. I feel bad. Okay, Rainbow Steve is going through. Listen, last time we messed with Rainbow Steve, it was probably like 6 months ago. Okay, and I think that Rainbow Steve is going through some type of
Please subscribe.
Yeah, he's going through some tough times, guys, because there's so many other Steves that replaced him, and you retired, right?
Yeah.
What happened to your head?
What do you mean? Hi.
Wait, what? Wait a minute.
Hi.
What are you, man?
I'm a little Steve.
Junior Steve, stop it, you. Rainbow Steve, don't try to be like the other ones. Come here, boy. And now he's doing random things. Come on, Rainbow Steve. We got to talk about this, buddy. How can I help you? How can we stop all the Steves versus Steve Army defeating Wither Steve, Ender Steve?
We must take out the Rainbow God Purple Pink Mini Steve.
How do we do it? We must summon them! Go! Get the summoning altars!
Okay,
Go!
We must... wait. We have to do this.
Hold on. I will help you out, buddy. It's time! We summon the Rainbow Steve Purple Junior! Moose Milk Steve! Okay, here we go. Let's start with the Moose Milk Steve. Here we go, bro. Get the Steve heads. Go. I got you, buddy. We're going to summon all the Steves. All right, this is how it's going to work right here.
Okay, where are we doing this?
Okay. Oh, wow, you are thick. Come on, buddy. We need more Steves. Let's go. We need goats, Steve. But wait, don't summon them just yet. There's only one way to end all this. Even though we defeated you last time and you somehow still alive. But you have the point.
Okay, I've got to do the first Steve heads, okay?
How did we summon Shadow Steve? What do we do?
We had to put redstone on it, and, yeah.
I feel like you're going through
we
your tough
go.
times, buddy. Listen, Rainbow Steve, no hard feelings, man, but you're a pretty cool guy. You know what I mean? You're cooler than all the other Steves, buddy, okay?
Yes, I am the best Steve.
Yo, we need to have the wet sponge Steve, okay?
Look
Come
at
here.
me, I'm building Megatron Steve.
No, hold on. Come here. Let's build a dispenser, Steve. Come here. Here we go. Ready?
I'm ahead of you. I've already built dispenser Steve.
Okay, what about the crafting bench, Steve? How about that?
Oh, we haven't done that one yet.
Okay. Make sure you write that down. All right, come on, buddy.
Okay.
All right. Yo, what about the furnace, Steve?
I think there's a furnace Steve. There are many Steves.
Okay. Now, what about Shadow, Steve?
Shadow Steve? How do we do?
How about Lapis, Steve? Okay.
Steve we have never done is Door Steve.
That's right. The door Steve is the. Wait. What about Trapdoor Steve?
Trapdoor Steve.
Hold on. I got you. How about the bathtub, Steve? Okay.
Okay.
Watch. I got you, man. Here we go. This is called the toilet Steve. All right, buddy. There we go. Boom. Just like that.
Comment
Okay.
down below your own version of Steph.
How much more steps?
Rainbow Steph.
It's okay, buddy. He's really going through his tough times. How about hot tub Steve? Okay. How about we can't forget the hot tub Steve, right?
Our dub Steph is best Steph. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, yeah.
I feel like this ain't going anywhere. Okay, now the best way to end this all off is gonna be TNT everywhere. I'm sorry, but listen, man. Remember, we have to.
Don't do this. I am Steph. We must protect all of the Stephs.
Wait. Did you just say that you hated the Steps because they took your job? Oh, I hit the redstone. My bad. Redstone, Steve.
Why did you do this? I'm okay.
Rainbow Steve. There you go. Now we took care of all the other Steves, and now you're the only one.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Where's he going? Is he just?
Don't follow me.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you did enjoy. Rainbow Steve versus MooseCraft versus MooseBlock Steve versus Shadow Steve versus Curse Steve versus Endstone, the crafting table Furnace Steve. Coming soon.
Don't come down to my secret. This is my hole. It is my base where I defend.
I'll see you all tomorrow with a brand new video. Subscribe and set the bell. Follow me on my Twitter, my Instagram, and check out my channel, bro. I'm out.